Play ladders and snakes? We're gonna make a surprise cake for Peter. Follow the recipe step by step to make a beautiful birthday for Peter. First of all, add the butter. Now add the eggs. Pour the milk carefully. And finally, add a little bit of sugar. Now the flour. Now mix all the ingredients. Perfect! Now you can pour the mixture into the mold. Now, very carefully, we will put it into the oven. Amazing! The cake is perfect! And now you only have to decorate it. Choose the topping and the topics you like most to decorate the cake. Great! I'm sure Peter will love the cake you've done for him. Want to make a cake for Peter?